The federal government is fighting a judge's decision to give a new trial to an Oconto Falls doctor convicted of producing child pornography. Jurors found 65-year-old Isaiah Scapino guilty in April on 5 counts after police linked child sex abuse material posted on Facebook to his home and uncovered more explicit videos with a toddler inside his house. The judge later agreed with Scapino's argument that some evidence was improperly allowed at trial and ordered a new one. Now prosecutors have asked a federal appeals court to reverse that ruling, leaving it unclear whether a retrial currently set for October 5th will actually go forward.